upper and lowercase g and h. Hopefully you have a nice place to sit and write. You're comfortable sitting up straight and you have a good pencil to use. Starting with capital G, this looks like the C that we did in a previous video, but we're just adding an extra line. So it's a big circle around to the dotted line, then pick up your pencil and little line. Circle around and a little line. Circle around and a little line. And take it all the way across. Oh, you can see sometimes I get a little skinnier, sometimes I'm a little wider, and that's totally okay. I'm just taking my time, and it doesn't have to be perfect. But I do try to use the lines to keep my letters overall the same height and shape. Lowercase g. Starting right here, circle around, pick up your pencil to the top, big line down with a bump. Circle around, big line down, or it looks like a little hook, doesn't it? Circle around, big line down, bump. Take that all the way across. And really take your time. I'm here for you. We don't have to rush. The more we practice, the easier it gets and the better our letters will look over time, okay? Uppercase H. Big line down, pick up your pencil, big line down and cross it in the center. Big line, and cross. Big line, and cross. Nicely done, I can tell. You are really taking your time. Such a good writer. Last one, lowercase h. Starting at the top. Big line down, up, bump, and down. Kind of looks like a little chair, doesn't it? A curved chair. Big line down, up, bump, down. Big line down, up, bump, down. And take that all the way across. Nicely done. Keep working through the alphabet with me, and we'll see you in the next video. Upper and lowercase g and h.